Alright, got a Whirlpool washer, and we're running it through a full superwash cycle. It's got a full load of jeans and towels. It's doing an excellent job. Agitation cycle. Still got a little bit of cleaning left to do on it, but otherwise, this guy's in excellent shape. And I'm gonna let it run through its cycle, and of course I'll come back on the final spin and we'll see that it works great. Then we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, it is doing its first high spin on the rinse cycle. Firing back up there so you see the lid switch works good. Drain worked perfect. And it sounds great as it's spinning in there. Even with such a heavy jeans and towel load. It's doing an excellent job. So just wanted to show that real quick, and we'll let it get on that high spin and come back and take a look. Alright, and here we go on into that high spin. It's doing an excellent job. It's very quiet, balanced. It's not wobbling at all. It's excellent condition washer. And the last thing we'll do is when it's all done, we'll pull those clothes out of there and make sure that they have been spun out correctly. Right, we just finished up here. Gave a nice loud signal, which can be turned on or off. We'll go ahead and grab out some of these clothes here. Okay. Alright, there's no excess water. It's way down deep here. Grab a towel. Alright. Yep, and these have been spun out correctly. There's no extra water or excess water in them at all, which means this thing's spin was perfectly up to speed. So we will go ahead and get these moved over to the dryer, get that tested out, and get these listed for sale. Okay, now we're over to the dryer. Now I've got all the buttons pulled off, getting those cleaned up, but what's important to check and test is the functionality, how it sounds, how it heats. So you see this moisture sensor is actually pretty cool, that it senses the clothes are wet still, which has to do with when it's on its auto timer, which I'll take pictures of all that once those knobs are done. But essentially I wanted to show that it heats. So the outside temperature is about 65, and if you listen, it sounds really, really good. It's not wobbly, it's not off balance, and there's no squealing or squeaking or anything like that. And what we'll do is we will shoot right into the heating element tube here. And there you have it. It's about 194, 195 degrees coming up out of that tube, which turns dries the clothes. So that's good to go. We're going to let those clothes dry, and we'll get it all put back together and get these listed for sale. So thank you very much for taking time to watch this video, and really appreciate you checking out the ad. Have a good day.